Alright, guys.
Are you recording?
Right now, the only person that I'm seeing on my camera right now is you. You look a little hot. Sun is like beaming on your cheeks.
Christy?
Yeah, you, Christy.
We worked hard.
You guys worked extremely hard. You guys are hot.
Bro, yo.
All right, sorry. We got Julian over there.
Bro, God is gonna send a lightning bolt directly to me, bro.
He got good aim. He ain't gonna miss.
Yeah, so stand away from me.
It's not about standing. He can hit you with people next to you. He ain't gonna
You
miss.
don't want to be collateral damage because that thing is coming in hot.
Nah, he's just gonna wipe you out. So
God
Christy,
won't smite me.
is super hot. She's worked insanely, and tirelessly all day. Since early this morning. You were here like what, 9, 10 o'clock? 9, 10 o'clock you been here?
Oh, she's that cute. Yeah.
That's
But that passes, Ponciano's kid, bro, he's
Can I
hairy.
have a baby? Yeah. What? She said, can I have a baby?
wow. No, it can't be deleted. It's live.
I'm not ready for deleting.
But he's cute, though. He's wild cute. I like him. He's cool. He got sick.
So cheeky to have a baby.
All right, it's type hot. Oh look who decided to join us on cam. It's Ray.
Oh, hey, Ray. I got a word for you.
Yo,
Ray, you hooked it up with that lemonade.
Ray hooked it up. He was the one who made that lemonade.
Yeah.
His lemonade was horrible.
Nah, that lemon was...
Nah, that lemonade was horrible.
It was.
That lemonade was horrible. Hold on.
Tell you.
Go ahead, say it. Preach. He's watching. He preach. No. Preach. Yo, your lemonade was horrible. Nah, man. Yo, mi hijo, póngase.
Blame it on the heat. Don't blame it on him.
Yo, what time is it? It's type hot. Yeah, I'm gonna pour this cold thing of water on me. Wait, what? So keep disrespecting his lemonade because I want him to know that his lemonade was horrible. Say it. Yo, did he give you guys a donation? Because if he didn't, I'm gonna beat him down. He did? All right, Ray, you lucky. You lucky you gave a donation. It's not in your face. It's not. It's facing you, but it's not in your face.
Bro, I was playing. You got the pen, bro?
What? What
You got
pen?
the pen on the phone?
No, man, this ain't a note.
Bro, you should get the note.
So
You gonna buy me a note?
I got you, bro, in the future.
All right. Then how
So
does
you
that
can
work?
play Fruit Ninja with me, and I could beat
I don't know how to play Fruit Ninja. I don't even know what Fruit Ninja is.
That's the easiest game on this planet.
you.
I never played Fruit Ninja.
You slice fruit.
We out here. We still car washing in this hot weather. Yo, it's like mad hot. Who's that? Whose car we washing? Come on in. Yo, got a customer. Make it happen. I know. Wash his car. Yo, we're gonna wash your car, Nilo. Yo, your pops better give a donation. We're gonna beat him down. Hold up. Hold on, we're gonna wash his car. Hey, te vamos a lavar el carro. Pero nos va a tener que dar 10 pesos, tú solamente. He's the only guy we charging $10 to. Where the power wash at? Here we go. Power wash this bad boy. Yeah. Yo, we're chasing with the Ya Tu Sabes armor all. Yeah, buddy. Yo, where my team at? Where you at? Supposed to be here, man. What's going on? Y'all on union break. Oh, look how dirty these things are. It is. What's up, buddy? Got you. You want to take it? Go ahead, man. It's all yours. It's all yours. Go ahead, bro. You got this. That's my man Daniel on the ones and twos. Power washing, my man. Free car wash. We out here. Hold up. Hold up. I got my hardest workers right here. That's why we send them to camp. Sending them to camp for free. Gonna send these kids to camp for free. There you go. Oh, they getting on it. Go ahead, go ahead. I got this. Let me get these rims. Just gonna get the rims while you guys do that. Woo! Yo, we got that rock out of there. Oh, y'all ain't ready for that. And you get juice and pastelito delivered to your car. That's right, we got that service. We got that service up in here. Come through. 111 Familiar Avenue. Yeah, buddy. Watch this bad boy, this Cardinal. Look at my hardest workers right there. Hardest workers. This is why we sending these kids to camp. We sending them to Wisconsin all day. Our organization, in his name United, gonna give a donation, get these kids to go to camp all day. Yeah, boy. I'm glad y'all tuning in live. Let's do it. Go ahead, man, go ahead. I got you. Look at him. Hard at work. He don't take no coffee breaks. You ain't gonna take a break? Now you ain't, oh, word? You working non-stop? My man. Got the adventurous working here. He working for that check. I ain't even mad at him. Uno de los trabajadores más duros que tenemos ahí. Míralo ahí. He hard at work. This is what we do. It's hot. It feels like 150 degrees out here. It really does, man. Nilo, vamos a ver. A mandar estos muchachos para el campamento. There we go. Chief of Staff right there, a.k.a. Pulinario, a.k.a. Jason Vega, a.k.a. the Chemist, a.k.a. the Pathfinder Director, a.k.a. what else? What other name we got? A.k.a. Tight Shorts, a.k.a. the Dominican Assassin, a.k.a. Mr. Ya Tu Sabe Armor Raw, a.k.a. the Fallacy. How many other AKAs you got? What else you got, man? AKA he a Apple person. I hate Apple. I really hate Apple. Android all day. I hate Apple. AKA he got no shoelaces.
I know never.
You never wear shoelaces.
I mean, I don't tie it, so why would I do it?
There you go. AKA what else? AKA he wearing sweats. He wearing sweats under his shorts. What are they?
Like compression pants.
All right, AKA he got compression pants under his sweats.
They keep you warm, bro. If it's too hot.
Why the hell is it gonna keep you warm in this heat? Explain.
No, that's what I'm saying, but let me explain.
Go for it.
It's thermal, so it adjusts to the temperature.
Okay, we got AKA thermal. Oh man, he just took it from me. I can't get mad at him. He about to go to work. Get him. My man Daniel going to work. Look at that. Oh, he earning his money. Nilo, 40 pesos me le tiene que dar ese muchacho. 40. No me está fajado. AKA he is right there. That's right. AKA my man Spray and Wash. Ha
Yeah, Daniel in front. There you go.
I got one of my favorite kids watching me, which is Christy. Where is she? Christy, one of my favorite kids watching me. Where's Jen? That's you, Genesis? Why you saying y'all too slow? Really, Christy? Yo, first of all, don't be hating. These kids, yo, my man right here working real hard right now. My man working real hard right now. Don't hate on my man. AKA, we got the Armor All. Yo, we got a free car wash, They rolling out here, Where? There you go. Get to it. That's my man, AKA Get To It. My man, one of the hardest workers. Get him. That's it. Change the thing so he can spray it, because it's going direct. There you go. My man Daniel on the ones. There you go. Look at him. Yeah, definitely. I got you. Free car wash, we out here. What's up? Good looking. I'm going to the other side. Yeah, he can't get him to go to the street. Go ahead, bring it over. No, just bring it over here. So right here. I got you. You bring it here, I'll wet the rest. There we go. It's how we do it over here. We power washing. We're gonna hit it with the Armor All next. We got that Yatu Sabe Armor All. Y'all come here. AKA Vermilion Avenue. AKA the Brugal section. We got my man AKA the Squeegee. We got some dude trying to do 0 to 100 from block to block. I don't understand why. Makes no sense. Hold on. We're gonna do this on this side. Watch yourself, Chaser. There you go. Woo! Yo, you got the Yatu Sabe Armor All? I did. What are you talking about? I got this. All right, I cleaned this side. You good? This is brand new, kid. Yo, you the dude, man. AKA the Squeegee. AKA he is doing it. You ready to go to Wisconsin, man? You ready? You sure? My man.
Awesome.
That's right. Look at him. Oh, shoot. Somebody got professional work. Somebody's a perfectionist doing what he do. Free car wash. Come get your car wash for free. Free car wash. Come on down. That joint almost took out my toes. I see that. You doing big things, Chaser. Free car wash. Definitely need to wash that car. That car dirty as heck. Come wash your car for free. Clean your dirt, clean your soul. Look at that. Yo, Chaser, that looks nice, man. You do good work, brother. You do good work. I am happy. I am happy to see what you do. Look at that. You know what's coming next, right? We got the armor all next. We got the armor all next. We got the armor on next. There she is right there. The hardest worker, a.k.a. Jaji, a.k.a. going to camp for free, a.k.a. we got us under the camp for free. There you go. Get it, my friend. You got this. We got to stop that NYPD car again. That's it. We're in Vermilion. We got the, yo, look at that. Look at that. The two hardest workers in the place. Well, the three, yeah, we got to throw Chasing in the mix, of course. You doing it, man. You are doing it, my friend. That's why.
I'm the good cleaner.
Yeah, you the good cleaner. I know you the good cleaner. Look, yo, Jaji going to work, man. Look at that. Jaji gonna have her own auto detailing business. And she play basketball. And she plays soccer. Oh, word? Look. Oh, there he go. AKA the fallacy. AKA Pulinario. That's how you do it, Chasing. You guys do good work. There you go. You guys rock. You guys do good work, man. What's up? But it ain't a haircut, though. It's still 110 degrees out here.
You remember those times, right, when you got the gold?
Yes, sir. I do remember. I do remember. Look at him. He going to work. Yo. What happened? Well, you got to come over here and tell me, man, you type far. You have to tell me, oh, yeah, I can't do that right now. What's up? All right, you taking a break? All right, he taking a break. I think he's going to the bathroom. Taking a bathroom break? All right, he's taking a bathroom break, so he'll be back. The hardest worker will be back. Nah, he ain't going to do that. Look how good we got these cars, man. Beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. Yo, you got to hit him with the armor all, Chasing, man. You got the Ya Tu Sabes armor all on it? Ah. Jones, hey, they look fresh and clean, man. They look fresh and clean, my brother. Yes, sir. They are looking fresh. Oh, he back from his potty break. My man, a.k.a. I'm What's Next. That's his name. His name is Daniel, a.k.a. I'm What's Next. There it is. Oh, we got the Batalitos selling over there. Making it happen. Watch your step, buddy. Watch your step. Ooh, talking to the people, Facebook Live, man. That's what I'm talking to. You want me to interview? No, tell them again. What do you want me to tell them?
Tell them, go, come here so then we can wash your car.
He said it. He said, come here, get your car washed. My man. Free car wash. It's free. It is free. Free car wash. Free car wash. He got it though, right? It's my man. That's my man. There you go. Next week we taking a trip. What's up? You got your hand? What's that? What's that about? Well, switch it.
Definitely not like
Yeah, we're not trying to break your hands. Switch it. The mist? Got you. Go ahead. You good? There you go. That's how we wash your hands. We wash bikes up in here, man. We wash bikes for $1. There you go, baby. My man Chasing. Yes, sir.
Oye, este por
Yo, car wash is insane, brother. We out here washing cars. What, your apple crap got messed up?
Never.
That's apple crap.
I watch everything with that, bro.
Apple crap.
People say it's not waterproof.
Yeah, that watch is trash.
The first person.
That's apple crap. Nobody like that watch. You're the only one that like Apple. Apple sucks. Come right here to Vermilion, 111 Vermilion Avenue. We out here, free car wash. Let me show you. Let me show you so you can see it. Bam. It's kind of faded, kind of washed away, but we still here. Yo, Alan, man, your coffee break over, bro. Get to it, my guy. Look at that. Look at him right here, going to work. AKA, I'm what's next. There you go. Come get your car washed. This young man right here will wash your car for free. Am I right? You wash their car for free? That's why you the dude, man. That's why people are coming. They come because of you. That's right. Oh, you got fans? Get out of here. I didn't know you had fans. You got fans out there? Well, turn and look at your fans. Turn around and look at your fans so your fans can see you. AKA Daniel, AKA I'm what's next. He said he's telling all his fans to come out here, get their car washed. For what? For free, right? You come wash it for free? Yo, he said you come down here, wash your car for free, Bartolitos and juice is on him. Yeah, the car be cleaning? I knew it. I knew it. You are the man. That's right. Yeah, you do good work, man, all day. All day you good work. Good work all the time. You wash cars in Santo Domingo, that's what you used to do? Yo, that's fire, my dude. That is fire. How much you used to get paid out there? They used to get you $10? Oh, whoa. Man, you used to get $10. $10 for washing cars, all right. My man. Yeah, he does good work. Check it out. Check it out. We leave your car spick and span. We got the Armor All tires up in here. What about? El qué?
That worked.
Now who's calling? Decline. Now you got it, man. You did it.
That's what they said. Yo, he's like a creep. I was like, yo.
Can you turn up the live so we can watch each other?
Oh, that's what it is?
Yeah.
First, but if you got to put on the helmet.
Julian, yo, you have to
No,
do
then
Julian with
I
the
won't.
Go ahead, put on the helmet, because you. No, the reason I say is because he's special. Go ahead, put it on, because you a special type of slow. You a special type of slow.
What you mean? You're like,
Him, no, that dude is a little type of slow. Oh, wait, he go get his money. He waiting for his money. Hold up. Yo, ve cóbrale. Go get your money, man. You wash this car. Nilo, él está cobrando o te va a romper la pierna. Rómpele la pierna. Mira. Sí. Yo, where your money at, son? Come on. Hoy no es sábado, hoy es domingo. Hey, él le lavó el carro, vamos a ver. Resuélvalo. Míralo ahí. That's the hardest worker, man. Let him get paid. Yo, mira. He's telling you. That's it.
Oye, da los cuartos, ven, que lo que tú estás ahí con tu cañería. Paga, ven.
Daniel, go get the money.
Get that money, son, or we break his legs. You let me know.
Deja de estar mareándonos.
Yo, we're gonna break his legs.
Ese chamaquito se fajó ahí.
All day.
Mínimo son 50 pesos que tú tienes que dar.
$50, man. You better pay that, man. My man, we're gonna raise the ride up in here.
Oye, saca los mojosos, ven.
Yo, go ahead, put the helmet on.
I already did.
Nah, man, we ain't see it. Put the helmet on. Say the alphabet 3 times fast. That's my cousin. Nah, don't wave. What you doing?
Hey, Vladimir, I know him, bro.
I know you know Vladimir.
Who's Alex?
That's my boy, Alex. You trying to wave at everybody?
Yeah, hey, what's up, people?
Wait. Hold on. You trying to wave at everybody? You trying to wave? You waving at everybody?
Who's that?
Lisi.
Oh, Lisi.
Really? Wave at Christy. Wave. Chasing wants everybody.
Big Daddy wave.
And Ray. Everybody got a wave? Did everybody get a wave? Okay. All right. Wait. He got that money? Get that money, man. Go ahead. I'm here. We got proof. Go ahead. Look. There you go. That man got paid. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, baby. That's my man. Get that money, son. Get that money, son. Nah, my man got paid. That's how you do it. That's his money. That's his money right there. He worked for that. That's my man. Show him that paper, baby. Show him that paper. He going shopping. Look. He gonna give you some more. Look. Go back. He's gonna give you some more money. Go ahead, man. Get that tip, son. My man. That's my boy right there. Get that shmoney, man. Yeah. Ha ha.